Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, How to Cook. And today we are doing a small shopping haul. I am going to show you what you will get for under $30 in roses. Let's go. Now good, if you're here for your first time, welcome, and if you're returning to the channel, welcome back. Please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up so that the channel will grow and the video will grow. Alright, so in today's shopping haul, you guys, I went into Roses. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this store that's called Roses, but this store I've been going to for some time. It's like a department store, you guys, and they do have everything there. Okay, everything there. They have dry foods, but they don't have like, you know, chicken and all that stuff. But check them out. But I wanted to show you guys what I did find. I spent $20.24 is what I spent all together. Okay, in Roses here. This is the closest one to my house. Alright, so what I found was my soap. I like to get my soap, y'all, in Roses because it's very affordable. They actually had this massive one, and you do get 99% more loads from this one, and it only was $9.99. This is what I paid right there. Okay, $9.99 right on top, right there. Okay, so you guys know, right? All right, so that was $9.99. This was a good deal because in some stores like Walmart, you'll definitely pay way more than $10 for this soap. Okay, and I do use Tide's a lot among other soaps, but I really do like Tide. Tide is my favorite soap. All right, so that was a good deal. All right, this says 89 loads on the bottom, so it's 128 floral ounces. All right, so that was a good buy here. That will last me for a while. I do wash a lot, y'all, but it will last me for a while. Now, what else did I find? I did pick up this Comet cleaner. It has bleach in it, so I use it to clean my pots and pans, and believe it or not, my bathroom. And I like this one. This particular one is lemon scented, so I like the scent. It has a really nice smell to it, and it did give you additional extra in it, so it's 50% more. So so they say, right? But yeah, they have different they have original, but I like to use the lemon scented one is what I'm using here. Now I did pick up also the soap pads. This is also for my pots and pans as well. Okay, and then I do kind of scrub my kitchen sink if I'm cooking like curry and them something them and I don't want to stain up the sink. I use this current pad to do that, but I'm very gentle with my kitchen sink because I don't want it to scratch up. But this seems to work really good with this sink. It's heavy duty steel wool. Okay, so it's pretty good, and it gives my pot a nice clean surface. Okay. All right, so up next, what did I find in Roses? I did purchase this oven cleaner, heavy duty. I have my stove is one that will self-clean the oven, but sometimes it don't do a good job. So a lot of times what I do, you guys, I spray the oven first with this, and then I start the process of having it self-clean, and it really come out squeaky clean when I do it that way. Just spray it first, and sometimes let it sit for a few minutes, and then I start up the oven and let it clean, right? It was only $1.50 is what I paid for that. And then also the scrubbing pad was $1. And I believe, what much I paid for this? I think this was also $1 too. That was also $1, right? This is what I paid for that so far. And then I'm definitely going to be making one cornbread mix, kind of a recipe for you guys, because somebody requested me to do it. I have a similar recipe, but I'm going to give it a twist to this one. So I decided to get this Jiffy corn muffin mix to bring that recipe for you guys. Okay, so look out for that. That was only 69 cents for the box in Roses. And then I got this for my bathroom, the toilets. You don't know when you have money in the house, you have to use that. Okay, so this is the blue tablets value pack. So we have 3 in it. Clean, you can see, and it smells amazing. I use this all the time, you guys. They do have it in Roses for $1.99. Okay, $1.99 right there is what I paid for that value pack. So that was a good deal, I think. Okay, all right, so next, what else? All right, so we have the 100% lemon juice. This is from concentrated, so believe it or not, you're not going to get all the lemony flavor that you need. When I buy this one, most of the time, 90% of the time, I use it to clean my meats, fish, beef, chicken, whatever I'm cooking. This is the one that I use. Maybe not this one, but I use similar one that says from concentrated. I really use it to cook with. I use fresh lemon most of the time to cook with, but this one I mostly use it to clean up my meat, poultry, whatever that I'm cooking. This is what I use, and this one was $1.59 is what I paid. Let me see, it was $1.59. Yeah, $1.69 right there. $1.69 is what I paid for that right there. So this was $1.69. All right, and then as far as seasonings are concerned, I am addicted to seasoning. Even though I have garlic powder and even though I have onion powder, I still went ahead and bought this. They have this in their store for 99 cents. Okay, the black pepper though was a little bit more. I think the black pepper was $1.29 for the black pepper, but the onion and garlic powder, that one was 99 cents for that. Okay, that's what I paid. All right, so I think I did cover everything here. All right, and again, what I spent was $20.24 is what I paid in Roses. Okay, so guys, this is what you will get for like $21 or under $25 in Roses. Right, they do have bleach, and the bleach was very cheap too, but I already have bleach. I already have fabric softener, so I didn't need to purchase that. But the soap, a deal, $10 for that. Okay, so for $20, I'll say $20. Yeah, like $20. This is a good buy. Now, what do you guys think? Is this a flip or is this a flop? Let me know down below what you guys think. And if you haven't been to Roses before. Okay, it's a massive department store, and they do have all types of things there. They only sell dry foods and stuff like that, but give them a try and see. You'll definitely find something in their store that you may like. So that is it, my darlings. Go ahead and thumbs up the video on your way out. The love is always appreciated. When YouTube says to like the video, then we'll push it through into a wider audience. The channel will grow and the video will grow. Alright, so until then, see you guys in the next one. Walk good, take care of yourself, bless.